Hello everyone, my name is Shrutika Sallapure. I'm working as Office Administration Trainer with ICICI Foundation. In this video, we are going to study about Tally and Tally software. You can see already the Tally ERP9 software is installed. To open that, we have to double click. As I double clicked on it, you can see the startup is open now. So if you are using this software for business purpose, then you have to purchase the license key. Now we are going to use it for educational purpose. So I will double click on work in educational mode. Now the Tally gateway is open. Let's learn the different functions available in it. The topmost bar, it is called as title bar. You can see at the right hand side the options like minimize, maximize and close. On the same title bar, on the left hand side you can see the name of version of the Tally software that we are using. Right below this there are options like print, email, language. You can choose different options from this. This is called as menu bar. Then now you can see the current financial period that we are using and the present date on the left pane of the software. Below that there is list of selected companies. The name of the companies that you have opened and working on will appear here. At the right pane we can see gateway of Tally, which has different functions like accounts info, inventory info, accounting vouchers, import data, etc. As I am moving up and down with the help of arrow keys on these functions, you can see one letter out of this, one alphabet out of these names is getting highlighted with a red color. So that alphabet itself is the shortcut to open this function. For example, I want to open accounts info. So if I press alphabet A on my keypad, accounts info will get opened. If you want to come out of this, you can either press Q or click on quit. So we are again back to the gateway of Tally. Next to this, you can see a green color panel. This is called as function bar, on which you can see F1, Alt F1, the F1 with a slight underline, F2 and F3. So this is called as function bar. Different functions is what we can select using this. F1 is for select company. When I click on select company, you can see I'm already working on 3 different companies. So you can select the company with which you want to work for. Now I will just click on Jai Ambe company. As I clicked on this, it got added to the left pane. Now once I finish working with this, again I can click on quit. Or you can also use Alt F1 to shut the company. When you click on this again, you can see it has got disappeared from the left pane. F2 is used for altering the date and Alt F2 is used for changing the period. F3 will open company information, and with Alt F3 you can create or select company. Now down here you can see this box which is called as calculator area. Whatever calculations you do, those will appear here. Apart from that, you can see the version of Tally and you can see the license details next to that. Now as we are working on educational mode, it is appearing here. So now we got to know how to start with Tally and what are the different functions in it. Once we are done, press quit or escape, then we will come out of this software. So I'm pressing on escape now. It will ask for the confirmation. Press on enter. So we came out of the software back to our desktop. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe.